this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be using our 6-inch round gel press and we're going to be using our elements. We're going to start with Sundance, so we need our brayer. I'm going to pop that lovely yellow on the background. Taking a smoothie, I'm just going to add some of the olive green. And also some of the Merlot. That's quite a dark colour this, so I'm not using much, just a little on the edge. And then taking our fan brush, I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm also going to add, this is our Mica Minerals, this is the metallic bronze. So all I'm going to do is pick up a little of that, pop it into the lid and add some water. And then I'm going to pick that up with my fan brush and just tap a little of that on as well. So Multifarious card, I'm going to pop that over the top. Give it a smooth over. And there we go. I hope you can see that lovely metallic coming through. Let's move that to the side. Taking one of our fairies now, I'm going to just ink her up in the Nocturne. Make sure that she's completely covered. Again, she's another big stamp, so just take your time. And if you just turn it slightly, you can see where the ink is wet. And that will just help you to make sure that you've covered the stamp completely. And then we're going to pop her down around about here. Okay, give that a good press. Let it rest a while. Now we want to ground her, so I'm going to use one of the masks. Bob it down there like so, making sure that the bottom of the lamp is covered and her feet as well. So taking a stencil brush, I'm going to use Twilight. And I'm just going to run that along the edge there. And I'm going to just bring that up a little as well. I've got some little foliage stamps here as well. I'm going to use those. And let's ink up in the monarch. So ink up, stamp off. And this time I'm going to use Glamorous, just for a little bit of colour. So I'm just building up that little bit of foliage just around her. So now taking the Posca pens, I'm going to use the yellow just to fill in where the light is. And then just some small dots down here. I'm going to use the red as well. So I'm just going to highlight her hair now with this really nice fine white pen. And it's just about these little things that pull out detail that makes all the difference. Lastly, I am going to just pop some glitter over the top. So I've got my glue pen here. And then I'm going to use the Christmas tinsel, and I'm going to just pop that over the top. Tap that off. And there we have it. Well, thanks so much for joining me, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed the demonstration today, and I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourself. There's so many different ways you can use the gel press, and that was just one of them. So, bye for now.